Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get free items and free stuff on Temu. So let's get right into it. As you can see for this, I am using this WikiHow article since it does have some pretty solid advice. So let's get right into it. Now, to get free items on Temu, there is a couple of ways that you can do it. Of course, without inviting friends, as you can see. So let's get right into the article at hand. Firstly, what you want to do is sign up for the first time. Once you sign in and register for the first time in the top right corner of the screen, or if you're on mobile, download the app and sign up by hitting the register button. New users are automatically given a coupon code for their first purchase along with a free welcome gift, so you can easily just get free stuff basically via that. You can use the coupon code and earn or get money deducted from your balance or from your total from your purchase, or you can just get a free gift. And Temu also offers certain items for free to new app users. Other than that, you can play in-app games to earn rewards. Once you click the or tap the U icon in the bottom center of the screen in the app, you can click earn free gifts and cash and be redirected to a list of minigames and referral promos. While these games, as it says, appear legit, many of them require you to send a Temu referral link to your friends, and as you get closer to unlocking the prizes, Temu also makes it more and more challenging to reach your goal. And some of the ones are Hat Trick, Fishland, Farmland, Refer and Earn, and holiday-specific games, and that is pretty much all there is for that. Other than that, you can use other coupon codes to apply and get your balance decreased once you're actually finishing your purchase. And other than that, you can open the daily gift box by going to the U icon at the bottom of the screen, followed by messages and promotions. Once you scroll through promotions, you'll see a daily gift box, and opening these free boxes can earn you special deals, promos, and even account credit. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.